All right, I got the coil replaced, ignition coil. I just got a hose on here with some gas in it. Key is on. There is no kill switch. Let's see what happens. What do you say? Well, you know, a lot of times, first start is better if you kick it. So what do you say we kick it? I'm not real good at kicking anymore. But I guess I can do one more. Let's see here. Let's move it over a little bit this way. Give my big feet a chance to stand on something. Use up all the gas, looks like it. Seems like it's going to run. You see all those white things down underneath there? Well, that's part of my seat. It's got soft spots in it now, because the mice have been in there tearing it up. Damn things. Alrighty, I guess it's time to get the gas tank back on and see if we can take this guy for a ride. You know, it's always something with these old bikes. I got a visitor over here. You see him? The light's not good, but he came in to see me. He wanders around here. So anyway, I started to say there's always something about these old bikes. I got this up on the lift here, and it sat there while I went to town, got some groceries, and then I came home and did some mowing. And I came in and looked at it. What's up, little guy? He's running around here. I think maybe he lost his mama. Anyway, there's a big puddle of oil underneath here. So I got to looking at it a little closer, and it was green, blue-green, which is what my Yamaha 2-stroke oil is. So I took the cover off the oil pump, and a bunch more oil poured out. So I cleaned all that up, and I'm watching it, and I don't see any more. Probably lost 4 or 5 tablespoons. I'm not sure. But then I put my tank on. To do that, I had to install a petcock, fuel cock, whatever you want to call it. And I installed it, and it leaks like a sieve. So I'll be trying to find another one. I got a half a dozen of them up there, different states of disrepair. So maybe I can make one good one out of the bunch of bad ones I got. I also didn't like the way the hose leaves this particular petcock. You can see it comes straight out the back. And so this hose that I've got going down to the carburetor has got kinks in it. I mean, it gets enough gas through, I'm sure, to run it, but I don't care for that. So I'll see what else I can find. Okay, we're going to change this out. I drained out most of the gas yesterday, but there's still gas on the other side. Uh-oh, that kind of in the way, isn't it? I can't tell if you're... All right, that looks good. That looks good. All clips are kind of in place. That and could go down a little further. And there it is. What do you think are the chances that it won't leak? I'm not sure. I've got one other thing to worry about. I don't know if you're looking up there or not, but this thing is not venting. And I've taken it apart twice to try and fix that problem. And it's together properly, but for some reason it's just not working. I don't know if the kit that I got to put in there with all new rubbers in it is manufactured wrong or what. But I got to take a look at that too. All right, here is the gas cap that's not venting. And you can see right here the vent hole. And that goes into this, which is composed of, these are all nice new rubber parts. That goes into here, which in turn, this rubber piece here has this hole in it. But, as you saw when I took that apart, this rubber hole is covered up by this ring right here. Well, folks, I was just watching this as I was editing it, and it was even confusing to me. So if you really want to see how to put these gas caps together, I would suggest you go over to Dale Sweger's. I'll put a link in the explanation down there, and he'll tell you how to fix it correctly, because that's how I learned how to fix it correctly. So you don't need to watch me do it. And stay tuned. I think we're going to go for a ride on this thing. GoPro, stop recording. All right. Let's see if this old girl will take me around the yard a little bit. What do you think? Probably not, huh? I don't know. I can't get my leg up high enough anymore. Scared the shit out of me.